right, 1-0 Ghana over Colombia halftime in the first game of the Under-17 World Cup. I think it's in India, I think. All right, so for this morning's Something to Smile About, we are going to glam each other up with some outfits made from trash bags. It's not the first time we're doing this, but the challenge is we have to make them from scratch. So we'll see on screen some ideas like that. So let's see what Sim and I can come up with. Go back to the first one. Go back to the first one. Yeah.
Maybe that's the one I'm going to make.
The middle one with the bow tie.
Yeah.
So maybe take off my shirt, no?
Yep.
Yeah. All right. Which one I will make for you? I see it already. Come now. Come now. Make us start. I don't need to say anymore. Make us start.
Wait up. We need to say about that one there.
Wait, no, man.
All right.
This is going to be simple and classy. If I can even open this first, it would make... No, I'm not taking no mate. I know what I'm doing.
How many times have we made garbage clothes on this?
Something all right. Go.
When I am wearing
See my bag not opening up, please.
Because you don't used to open in trash bag in your yard.
I don't.
That's why.
Oh, I just work it out though.
When I'm with you, there's no
Come on to this, man.
You're going to take off your shirt or what?
Wait, no. Oh, what? Oh, I want this. This is the bottom. But this is what I want. I want a hole up here.
I don't even need to tape this. I can just tie it because you're not going to see the mark of the garment. I'm going to give you some embellishments. Oh dear.
Oh, this is our governor general party. Wait, no.
You're embellishing it. Oh my gosh. You're interrupting me.
Put your hand underneath. Put your hand underneath. Yes. And through here. And through.
On your bag, the bag don't finish. Ah. Suspenders and bow ties are back in, ladies and gentlemen.
What kind of smile I was giving now? Tell me about
Garbage Designs
Yeah.
by Nefril and Simern.
Yeah.
You can get them at any store nearest you. How much are yours? How much are yours?
So you can get this outfit for $271,000, and you can get them at all pharmacies island-wide. Or
When it's garbage boxes, really, anyhow about that for a pharmacy for
the
true.
supermarkets and
Actually, I
haberdasheries.
really like the shape of this, you know, for
Thank
true.
you.
I would wear this.
Thank you.
Don't it?
Thank you.
I would wear it.
I'm in the wrong
Let me see the
business.
full shot, Princely.
I'm in the wrong
Who have it?
business.
Who have it? Let me see.
Princey.
And look, Princely, I said.
Oh.
The bed
I'm in the wrong
cinches,
business. Isn't that just...
figure, and then go into my waist, and then
Yes.
they can see all of my natural curves.
And you can't even turn around, unlike your one. Yes.
You have to be bitter.
And everything is smooth as at the back as it is smooth at the front. It actually matches your outfit. Everything just smooth. There you go, ladies and gentlemen. When we come back, we won't have this on.
Why?
We shall be naked.
You warm though. Let me tell you.
You know,
Hot.
it's a complaint. Where you get this?